is January. January.
Let's say it together.
January.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep smiling. Keep being kind every day. See you again, friends. Bye-bye.
Wow! Look at the magic calendar.
It has 12 months.
Let's learn them together.
Let's begin.
There are 12 months in 1 year.
We will learn them one by one.
It will be fun.
Let's go. This is January. January.
Let's say it together.
January.
January is cold. We can play in the snow. January is fun. It's cold.
January is snowy.
We wear warm coats, hats, and gloves.
Goodbye, January.
This is
February. February.
Let's say it together.
February.
February is still cold. Some days are sunny. Spring is coming soon.
Hello, February. This is March. March.
Let's say it together.
March.
March brings spring. The weather feels warmer. Spring is beautiful.
Welcome, March.
Look, the wind is blowing.
March is great for flying a kite.
The weather is warm and sunny. Goodbye, March.
This is April.
April.
Let's say it together.
April.
April has rainy days. Rain helps flowers grow. Rainbows are beautiful. Hello, April.
This is May.
Let's say it together.
May.
May is warm and beautiful.
We can play outside.
I love sunny spring days. Welcome, May.
This is June. June. Let's say it together. June.
June is warm.
The sun is bright. Summer is here. Hello, June.
This is July.
July.
Let's say it together. July.
July is hot.
We drink lots of water. We have fun outside. Happy July. July has fun summer nights.
The sky is so colorful.
Summer is exciting. Goodbye, July.
This is August. August. Let's say it together. August. August is hot. We wear light clothes.
Let's stay cool and drink water.
Hello, August.
This is September. September.
Let's say it together.
September.
Look at the beautiful leaves. Fall is starting. September is colorful.
Goodbye, September.
This is October.
October.
Let's say it together.
October.
October is cool.
The leaves are colorful.
Fall is beautiful. Happy October.
This is November. November.
Let's say it together.
November.
November is cool. We wear cozy sweaters. We enjoy the fresh air. Welcome, November.
Goodbye, November.
Winter is coming.
See you, December. Goodbye, November.
This is December. December.
Let's say it together.
December.
December is cold.
We play in the snow.
Winter is fun.
Happy December.
Let's remember the first 6 months.
January, February, March, April, May, June.
Now the last 6 months. July, August, September, October, November, December.
There are 12 months in 1 year. We learned every month. Great job, friends.
We know all 12 months.
Wow! A magic door! Where does it go? Let's find out. Hello, January. Cold and snowy.
Let's make a snowman.
Beautiful flowers.
Spring is here.
here!
April is colorful. What a sunny day!
Let's build a sandcastle.
Summer is so much fun. The lights are beautiful. I love December. What a magical year. Wow! Look! All the months are here. This is amazing.
Can you say them with us?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. You did it!
You learned all 12 months.
Fantastic job!
Our next adventure is waiting.
Let's go together!
Learning is always fun. Every month is special.
Keep learning every day.
We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye-bye, friends!
Great job, friends.
Want more fun learning videos? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye-bye!